Morning everybody, this is Josh over at Silver Arrow Service. Today we are working on a 1985 Ferrari 308. As the client came in with an original complaint of the lights, a couple lights being out during their state inspection. So we went ahead, fixed all that. We had a couple bulbs out, a couple bad connections, repaired some connectors. And then when the client came to pick it up, the headlights all of a sudden stopped working. So when you look at this car, you have the stock right here for the headlights. You can turn them on and off. Will turn on your parking lights, and then if you push down, it's supposed to turn on your headlights, and down again will turn on your high beams. And as you can tell, it's doing nothing right now. So what we're gonna do is actually on the end of the stock, you can take this whole switch off. You wanna be extremely careful because there is a spring and a ball bearing in here that if you just pull this off, it will send the spring and the bearing into the stratosphere. So I'm gonna go ahead, give it a little pull, and you can cover it, and you can see the bearing right there. So we'll take the bearing out. The spring will stay, and then I've actually already taken this apart, and the problem is this wire right here has come unsoldered from the switch itself. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to go ahead and re-solder this back on. If we connect it right now, you can see that it works. So we'll reattach that connection there, re-solder it, put it back together, and this car will be all set. Bearing and the cap back on. All right. Sweet. All right, so now that we've completed the repair on this 1985 Ferrari 308, we re-soldered the ground connection to the bottom of the stock. As you can see, the lights are now working properly. Everything's working as designed. So we're gonna go ahead, wrap it up. Pat's gonna wipe the car down so it's nice and clean for the client. If you have any questions, give us a call, 603-566-2075. Make sure to check us out online at www.silverarrowservice.com and make sure to comment or like below. Thanks guys.